You always have to have a good shop dog helping you out. I'm not saying Aurora helps out too much, but she helps enough. She helps in all the ways that matter. She's a good girl, huh? Yeah. Aurora's a good puppy. Perf, perf. You good girl. Okay, we gotta get this bad girl, keep her covered up because that's what you're supposed to do. We'll see how well that paid off. We need what's in that box. So now we get to see
what's in the box.
As you can see, I've already dug into it. Okay, I'm really limited on area here. There we go. All right, we got this beauty uncovered. Oh, God, these big blocks are they're so beautiful. Hopefully we can keep this one together for more than 5 minutes. So, what we need to do is bolt it to that thing. Well, we need to bolt it to that thing first, in between that and that. What is that? That is an FTI Turbo 400. Stage 5, I believe. Could be 4.5. Depends on how much I cheaped out. Haven't even gotten the engine in yet. It's already got an oil leak. And it's probably just I put some temporary, it's like a temporary bypass for the oil cooler. So, you know, when I primed it, I didn't put, you know, all the oil. I just put the engine onto the ground. Hitting that, but yeah, this whole thing is like, it's like sitting like this. I think it's still sitting like this a little bit, and that's what's giving it, it has to go that way. Oh, that's really unfortunate. I didn't even think of that. That means we gotta take the whole goddamn thing out again. Wow, I am really stupid. You know, of all the things, not saying I'm always the most prepared person in the world, of all the things I could have thought of that still hitting the, whatever that part of the car is. We'll call it the body, because I don't know, the little louvery hood intake air, fresh air thing, whatever for your cabin. So, now I gotta pull it all out. Because I'm never gonna get it out. Because right now it's all, yeah. Yep. Alright. So, obviously, this is an issue. Because that engine hoist isn't moving. I cleaned up the floor, the wheels, I don't know. But, what we need to do is we need to get this out of there. And the only way to do that is we need to finally just clean. This needs to go away. It needs to happen. Stop collecting crap. Right. And just like that, it's all clean. We need a block of wood. And just like that, down. Again, very temporary. Here's my little oil leak too. My little fancy oil bypass, that's the oil cooler. And when I originally primed it, it wasn't plugged in. Blah, oil all over. It's so hot and humid out. Look at this. It's like, I got like no traction whatsoever. And I just got that in there. So I just skipped forward through it. Obviously, you probably don't want to get bored to death me taking that little goofy thing out in favor of straight chain. Wow. Headers are no way going to go in here. I don't even know. Yeah, this is definitely... It's still tilted forward. You can see like this. It's still way too far. It's got to be back a little bit. Yeah. Because the original plan was this would have been the other side and they would have stuck up like this. You know, that's not going to happen. This might not even happen. Guess we're going to run over headers. Oh. See, the thing is still a little cattywampus. It doesn't help to put the spark plugs in to keep crap from going down into the cylinders. They're kind of just throwaway beginner plugs, but you probably can't hear a word I'm saying because I'm banging metal all around. Ooh. Ah, too short. And the plugs will have to come out. Except it doesn't really look like that's where those are hitting. Uh-oh. This is good. All right. I think, yeah. So, the header's fitting in like they do. That's a genuine kick in the fill in the blank. So, you know, girl's in there. She's raring to go. She wants to go. I just have to not suck. I have to stop sucking. My suckage needs to percentage less. However you want to put it.